Today I'm going to talk to you about the underhand strike. I'm sure this move has many other names as well. I personally call it the underhand strike because when you do it, your arm is underneath the bow, similar to an underhand toss. So to do the actual strike, you're going to start in a right hand out reverse strike position. From here, we're going to start as if we're doing another reverse strike, uncrossing our arms. But instead of doing a reverse strike here, we're going to continue that momentum, crossing the arms the other way and bringing them in front of your chest. From here, the left hand is going to release the bow and the right arm is going to swing out doing the strike. You can see the elbow is bent, allowing the bow to be flat. If it's up here, it looks pretty silly. Then that left hand is going to come up above the head, keeping the arm bent as well, and the hand is going to be tilted upwards. You don't want it to be perfectly flat, either up above your head or facing the outside, because then it might look like a high five. And that's the underhand strike. One way to get out of this position is to do a one-handed figure eight with that right arm. So from here, you would just start going down, crosses. From here, maybe you grab it, do a spinning punch, something along those lines. But one important thing to note if you're going to do that is not to wind the bow up to get a faster figure eight. Just use the momentum you can get right from that spot where you are. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for more bow staff related videos.